if you are seeing this challenge of please unblock challenges.cloudflare, it means you are facing the same problem all of us are facing. It is mainly for different sites, mainly ChatGPT, which I think most of you are using and are checking. I've even put it in the thumbnail. You can see that it is the one. So what is please unblock and how can you solve it? This is the cloud service that helps different websites to increase their security. Websites like ChatGPT and other downloaders. It's mainly on ChatGPT and other websites. Even Twitter itself is having problems. If you can go to Twitter and try to refresh, you see that you are not getting any new feed. So how can you save it? How can you change it? What you need to do is you first have to refresh and see. It started like 1 hour ago at 16 hours East African time. But if you want to solve it, it is very simple. Try to use an alternate source for either downloading. If you are downloading, try to use an alternate source of information which you can use to download. Some downloaders are down, or if you're using ChatGPT, you can try other AI platforms like Gemini.com, because Gemini has no problem, or you can try other different AI platforms to solve that problem. So to explain the problem fully, what is Cloudflare? Cloudflare, this is a security page for protecting these different websites. It's a domain allocated to different websites to protect them against malicious users like bots. These are sites that are built in to help protect people from overusing these sites as robots. So what does it do? For it, these are servers located in the US where they can overpass and identify individuals by using different forms of cursor movement, how they can locate a different problem that a person has. There are also other solutions you can use I can offer you. Number one, if the capture is visible, you can try to use as a human, you can try to restart your computer. Of course, that is the first thing most people do. Then you can also wait a few seconds, because if you have something you want to solve and it's quite simple, you can wait a few seconds. These sites have been going on and off. You can try to refresh and see. After some time, like after 20 minutes, 10 minutes, depending on how much you can wait and how much is your patience, you can try to refresh and see whether it can solve it. Or you can even use a different browser. If Chrome is failing, which I think most of you are using, if Chrome is failing, you can try to use Opera Mini also. Some of the sites, mainly downloaders, will work there. Or temporarily disable any VPN. That's the one of the best solutions. If you have any VPN you are using on your computer or on your phone, try to first stop it and see whether you can try to find a solution. If the problem persists and you've tried all these solutions and it has failed, then what you have to do is you'll have to wait a few more time, because this challenge must be from Cloudflare itself, and it's going to take quite a while, either an hour from when you are watching the video or when I've uploaded it, or like 2 hours. But it can even take shorter, so always try to keep on your laptop or on your phone and try refreshing. Let me summarize the solutions I've told you. You can restart your computer. You can wait a few seconds and keep on refreshing. You can use a different browser, or you can wait a few more time, like an hour or more time if you have that time. Then you'll be able to solve the solution. But otherwise, you consider ChatGPT itself has known of the problem and they are quite now working on it. So within any time, it's going to be solved.